So ate Sashi made this flower last night. It is so big. Wow, so creative naman ni ate. Oh, made a flower. Oh. She said na she got it from YouTube though. And this one too, Baba made this last night. Supposedly she will be doing recycle, anything recycle like newspaper, pet bottle, but she was not satisfied with this one. It's a pencil case by the way, and that one, this one is a pen holder. Yeah, they were so busy last night, guys. Oh my god, get this electric fan away from me. So I'm just going to list some things to buy. Yes, because we're going grocery this morning. Finish. Hello. Good morning, ba? Good morning, friends! Kumakain sila na. They're eating breakfast now. The monkey's eating breakfast now. I'm gonna show you the monkey. Get it! I think. I'm so tired. I don't know why. I'm always tired. So here are my list, guys, and here are only a few of it, and I don't know what else to buy, but maybe later I'll think of it. So for now, hello. Ito na muna. Hello. So we're on our way now, and I decided that Kuya buyer. So I decided to have my hair naman because I know. But look at my hair. Konti na lang. Ba? Nana daw to ba? Bakit konti na lang yung hair ko?
Gamay daw ko.
Oh, diba? Oh, see that? Why ba? Ba? You ba ha? You're always choking me. Maaga pa lang, init na. Oh, there's a lot of rooster. So I just stopped by here and buy banana. Diyan, 45 per kilo. Finally, at nakauwi na kami. We're home. It's already 9:30 in the morning. So I will just be putting away all the groceries that we got. Oh, we also bought some kamote because kamote is my favorite too. I love eating kamote. So maybe let's do a haul on the groceries. There are 2 boxes pala. Yan. So we also have bananas. I have 2 box. 3 box. 2 box and 3 plastic bags pala. Dami. So I'll just put away all the things that we got. just cooking oatmeal for breakfast. It is from S&W's. Yeah. Cook for 2 minutes, it says. So this is my breakfast, guys. Oatmeal and banana. I think I cooked a lot of oatmeal, but it's fine. Yay! Let's eat, guys. Yes. Itadakimasu.
What is that?
Hot.
Look like oishi. You did not invite me.
Show yourself first.
No.
I will. Bibi. Restless again because of the they're down. Down. La 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 la. This is such a torture. Wait. Dali. Ouch. Wait, Jaratam. Come on. Ah! I'm giving him breads. Then. No more. And wow, I look so ewy. I'm just cooking. What's that? Sweet potato for snack. I don't know if they will eat. Do you eat sweet potatoes? Hello. It is already. It's not yet boiling, pero ano na siya sa stove, guys. And parang it seems like it's going to rain because the thunder is just too loud, and it's been like how many minutes? I think it's already like mga what's that? 30 minutes na. No ba no? Na may thunder. So I'm drinking Yakult pala, guys, and this is the Yakult light one. Because this is good for your tummy. I don't know what's the difference between the light and the original Yakult, because for me it tastes the same. It doesn't I thought that they would be a little not too sweet, but it doesn't taste any different. Maybe it's the nutrition fact, but I cannot read the nutrition facts. Maybe it's the calories. No? This one has only, I don't know, what's that, 45 or 46, but I cannot see it. So, yay! Cheers! Yakult every day. Okay ka ba, Chan? Cheers!
Emojis. Oh. That's my home. Textopolis. Here, each of us.
No, don't know.
Morning, Mrs. P. I see you have the little minis with you. Oh, they're so cute. That is so adorable. I can't take it.
No, I'll never get them to sleep.
Thumbs up. They just show up and they're good to go. But for the faces, the pressure is on. Crier always has to cry, even if he's just won the lottery.